Welcome to the installation of Wozart LED Orchestrator. You are just a few simple steps away from converting your LED strip into a smart one. These are the simple tools you need to connect Wozart to your LED strip. Understanding the LED Orchestrator. As you can see at the back of the device, there are slots provided. Plus for positive, minus for negative, and R for factory resetting the device. And a unique setup code to pair LED Orchestrator. The slot to the right of the device is the connector slot, which is the output of the device. And the wireless antenna for Wi-Fi connectivity. These are the contents of the LED Orchestrator combo. RGBW connector, LED Orchestrator, LED driver, and 5-meter RGBW LED strip. Let's start with connecting RGBW connector to the RGBW strip. Connect the black wire of the connector to the black wire of the RGBW LED strip. Similarly, connect the red to red, green to green, blue to blue, and white to white. Secure all the connections with the tape. Now, let's start connecting LED Orchestrator to the LED driver. Take 2 pieces of wires and connect one wire between negative and negative. Another wire between positive and positive of the LED Orchestrator and LED driver. Turn off the power to that room where Orchestrator is being installed. To power the Orchestrator, connect the live or phase wire to the L slot of the LED driver. Similarly, connect the neutral wire to the N slot of the LED driver. Now, take the RGBW LED strip with the connector and connect it into the connector slot of LED Orchestrator. Now, switch on the power supply. Make sure all the connections are tight and secure before turning on the power.